Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix slow charging problem in your Infinix smartphone, how you can solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Here it is. Then you have to simply click on app management, and here it is app list. You have to simply click on. Friends, you have to go to the security or apps, and here you have to clear cache all the apps, and of course you have to click on mobile data and turn off the background data. It will have to fix your battery draining also. Simply press back, go to app list, and here you have to write battery. If there is no app, then you have to clear the space, storage, and restart your mobile. It will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.